How's it going, guys? This is a updated toolbox tour from my last video. I'll show you what I got. Right side of the box here. Keep 24-inch locking flex head, 1/2-inch snap-on. And I've also got another flex head, 1/2-inch ratchet, but this is a flex head. Right. Keep my pry bars up here. I believe the big one here, this is 46 inches. And it just goes down from there. Gloves. I keep my electrics in the back. This is a 3/8 Ingersoll Rand ratchet. This is a 1/4-inch Milwaukee. 1/4-inch snap-on. Also have the 3/8 snap-on version, same thing. This is a 3/8 14.4. And this is just a bit driver, snap-on bit driver. And then I have some older Milwaukee stuff, little 3/8 drill, 3/8 fuel. Like I said, these are older here. This is a real old, before they came out with the fuel version Milwaukee 3/8. And this is snap-ons. Big lithium battery, 3/8. Great tool. Milwaukee, big 1/2-inch. And the snap-on drill, big 1/2-inch chuck drill. And then I have all my chargers sitting here on the back. Flashlight, Matco light, and Coast headlight. These things are the best here. Scanner I got not too long ago, Soulless Edge. This thing's kick-ass. Go in the drawers. Alright. These are all my hammers here. Nothing special. These welding hammers these things take a beating. Also a surprise too on the Pittsburgh dead blows. I split that one, but I mean I've used the hell out of them. Matco ball peen. These are my ratchets. Got long 1/2-inch snap-on, standard 1/2-inch snap-on, locking flex head 3/8 snap-on, and this is Matco's same version, locking flex head 3/8. This is a gear wrench. They're alright. They're not too bad. 3/8 breaker bar snap-on. And this is the composite heads, 3/8 locking, or not locking, but flex head ratchets. These things are awesome here. I've also got just a standard little body. And this is a 1/4-inch breaker bar. Snap-on, real long. Love this thing. And this is long Matco 1/4-inch ratchet. And another gear wrench set. I've got this with the 3/8 ratchet. And this is Matco's 1/4-inch locking flex head ratchet. And this is their standard little 1/4-inch Matco. We've got a couple magnets I keep here. This one's got a little light on it from O'Reilly's. Got for free. Plug gapper, 2 different plug gappers. Use this to crimp off brake lines. This here is pretty much just extensions, snap-on, Matco lockings, and gear wrench is pretty much what I have in there. And these are just extra sockets. These are some cheap punches here in the back, nothing special. I just got a couple sets of snap-on punches, chisels, and roll pin punches, and pretty much, you know, anything I could need. Here I've got some Lyle pick sets, hook and pick sets. Got snap-on hose pick sets. Love this thing. And these are the cheap, just little cheap Harbor Freight, actually interior tools. And these things are awesome here. I mean, they're really great. I haven't broke any yet. It's mostly surprising. Got my electrical drawer down here. Got my Fluke 115. Stethoscope, cheap stethoscope. Got a set here. A bunch of adapters and everything for my meter. Bunch of different adapters and everything like that. And I've got my power probe. This is an awesome tool here. I use the hell out of that thing. And that's pretty much my impact and a little bit of battery stuff I have. Ingersoll Rand air hammer. That's a badass gun. Cornwell 3/8, cheap 3/8, Milwaukee, real old. These are real nice. These are the same as the Monster, just different names, same gun, but these are awesome. These stubby. I've got 3/8 and 1/2 inch versions of this. Some extra snap-on batteries. I've got my little angle chuck here, straight, snap-on 3/8 impact. Got my cutoff wheel here. This thing's great, reversible, helps out a ton. Cornwell 3/8, their big 3/8 air ratchet, and then some cheaper ones here. I've got all my air hammer bits here in the back, which those things, they're quite expensive, I feel. But this here, this is a snap-on 1/2 inch breaker bar. This is a long 3/8 locking extension. I believe it's 24 inches. And this is my screwdriver and pick. Pretty much anything with a handle. Matco screwdrivers, snap-on mini screwdrivers, snap-on's normal set. Set of Mac nut drivers, and the Matco rear drum tools. Got the ratcheting screwdriver, snap-on's mini Torx drivers. Also got Cornwell's long pick set, cheap precision screwdrivers here, and this is Snap-on's long Torx screwdrivers. snap-ons, long, normal screwdrivers. And this is my plier drawer. It pretty much stays like this. I mean, I've got a ton of pliers. I mean, pretty much whatever I need, you know. And I've got this set of dikes here, and these crimping and stripping tools here are awesome. I've got a whole set of Lang snap ring pliers.